Great. So here for the role play, let's talk about clothing and electronics. So tell us, Eugene, please tell us about how clothing is like the most important thing you should not throw away. And then tell us about 3 reasons why and why it's okay to throw away Chopper's electronics.
Okay. I think clothes is kind of necessary items in our lives, and we always need new clothes because we need to follow the trendy. And why should we follow the trendy? Because if we don't follow the trendy, we can't be together with other people. Some people will hate you if you are not fashion. So we need to let us be more beautiful. So we need to buy new clothes, and we can't throw our old clothes because it will be used. Like when it's dirty, and you can use it as a floor map. Yeah. So we need to keep clothes and do not throw away. And I think electronics products could be thrown away because we don't need laptops and need cell phones. We only need one. So when you have cell phones, you don't need laptops or tablet. So we only need one product of electronics. So I think you can throw away others.
Okay. Okay, great. Chopper, your turn. It's a debate, right? So it can go back and forth, back and forth.
Okay, I can't agree to Eugene because I don't agree. Because in the world now, laptops and cell phones, their company will make many items and big sales in the world for many people. It's it shows us people love new laptops and cell phones. And we need to laptops and cell phones or electric products to connect others. We need the we need the new products and the new new products to change our lives to our lives. It's made the new electric products make us change my our lives and convenient. Yes, so electric products is an important item in our lives. But the clothing we need we only need to well to go outside. Clothing are protect people's body is okay. Yes, so we don't need to buy new clothing month to month.
Every month
or every year. Yeah.
Eugene, come on, it's a debate, right? What do you have to say? So you can say something and the chopper can say something to see who is can be more persuadable.
I think we need clothes in different clothes in different situations. Like when you join a wedding, you need a new beautiful clothes to show that you are placing the bride. And when you go to sport exercising, you need the clothes for exercise. So lots of situation we need new clothes. And about electronics, if you can do everything in your cell phone. I don't think you need one more laptop or one more tablet. Yeah, this is my opinion.
Okay, Chopper.
Okay, you are wrong. For electronic products, we need different electronic products in different place or different to use. Now in Taiwan, we now in Taiwan, the working pressure is so heavy. We need to some active to reducing our pressure, so we can play video games. Yes, for video games we need to buy TV games, example PS5. We need to buy notebooks or cell phones in a different price. In the outside, we need to play with friends. We need use cell phones, but some games is so maybe use 4K or 8K. We need to TV elect produce to play. Yes, so electronic produce is important item in our life.
Okay, Eugene, do you have anything else you want to say here?
I don't think video games is a good example because lots of people, they don't play video games. And if people like my mom or my parents or grandma, the only thing they need is only one cell phone. So I think some people, they buy new electronics for show off that they have new things, and some people they need laptops for work, but many people they don't need like computers or high quality monitors because they don't need it.
Okay, interesting. I think you both have a lot of your own perspectives. So I think that's what's so fun about the debate, right? Is that you guys try to convince each other and try to talk about the points that the person feels is right, but you feel is wrong. So I think that's fun. Okay, I can think we're gonna do more on debate about different types of topics. Okay, great job. So at the end, I think let's just read through this article, and then if we still have time, we can talk a little bit about it. Okay, so Chopper, can you read the first paragraph, and then Yuqing, you read the second one.
Okay. Plastic has been a blight on the landscape and a deadly threat to wildlife for decades. Environmentalists have issued many pleas for us to reduce the amount of plastic we use or switch to biodegradable alternatives. One solution to this problem may be at hand. Scientists have developed a form of biodegradable plastic. This means that the billions of plastic bags, caps, straws, and utensils that we dispose of each day could be compostable, they could decompose and break down as naturally as organic waste. The scientists are from the University of California, Berkeley. They said they have invented a plastic that could break down within a few weeks, rather than centuries using just heat and wet water.
Okay,
The new
heat and water developed. Scientists have developed a form of biodegradable plastic. Biodegradable. Okay, last part, Yuqing.
The new biodegradable product involves embedding polyester eating enzymes into the plastic during the production process. When these enzymes are exposed to heat and water, they eat away at the plastic and reduce it to lactic acid. This provides nutrients for the soil when composted.
Nutrients. Okay, good job. Do you guys have any questions with today's lesson on biodegradable plastic? What do you think about this? You think this is a good idea, that it's going to solve all the problems? Yuqing, what do you think?
I think Yeah, I think it's a good idea, and maybe it's not a perfect one, but it can help the situation of now. Maybe.
Okay. Chopper, what do you think?
I think it's a good idea for do something to change our life.
Okay, change your life. Yeah, that's something. Great. Okay, so for next class, I think we're going to talk about vaccine passports. About what do you guys think about this? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Then I'll see you guys next Monday then. Okay.
Okay.
And if you guys want to present, let me know. If you guys want to do some presentation next week, if not next week, then next month, please let me know before and think about what you guys want to do. Still hope that you guys can do a presentation maybe once every 1 or 2 months. It's a really good practice. And I think that everyone is quite comfortable with each other. So it's better for you to share a lot of your own experience, but practice talking about things you like. Because when you're talking about work, it's something a bit different. Okay? Great. Then I'll see you guys next week. Okay. Bye-bye.